10 Philracom Juvenile Championship, and the rough. Early lead is taken by Constatic by the rail. It's Constatic in the lead, followed by Mikey's on the outside, and moving up by the rail is Charming Santi. And heading for the backstretch, Charming Santi in the lead, followed by Constatic on the outside, Mikey's and Barkley. And into the backstretch, it's still Constatic in the lead, followed by Mikey's. And moving up on the outside is Arvin Dugo and Lord of War. At the mid-back stretch, it's Mikey's now in the lead, followed by Arvin Dugo on the outside in second, and Constatic Charming Santi. And nearing the far turn, it is still Mikey's in the lead, followed by Arvin Dugo in second, and Lord of War. And Chief Joseph now moving up on the outside. And at the far turn, it's Mikey's, followed by Arvin Dugo on the outside, and Chief Joseph on the further outside, and Barkley. And at the last bend for home, Arvin Dugo in the lead. It's still Arvin Dugo, followed by Chief Joseph, and Charming Santi moving up by the rail, and Lord of War. And into the home stretch, Chief Joseph on the outside, and Arvin Dugo by the rail, Lord of War, and Charming Santi by the rail. And at the top of the stretch, it's Arvin Dugo, Chief Joseph, and Whistler now moving up on the further outside. It's Chief Joseph. It's Chief Joseph in the lead. It's Chief Joseph in the lead, and by the rail is Arvin Dugo. And here comes Whistler moving up on the further outside. And finally, at the payoff line, Chief Joseph, Whistler, Arvin Dugo, Barkley, and Lord of War.
Mukhang tihado naman tayo dito, partner, oh.